Hi, and welcome to this week's episode. We had such a great response last week to our ride-through of the Haunted Mansion for inspiration for our Halloween props that we're going to continue this trend and go through other rides and look for inspiration to hold us over until next Halloween. So this week we are in the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World to go on Pirates of the Caribbean. This is one of my favorite rides. I love this ride. It just sparks my imagination and creativity and all every time I'm on it. I did have some debate with myself as to whether we should do the Pirates of the Caribbean in Disney World or the Pirates of the Caribbean version in Disneyland out in California. For those of you who are not Disney fanatics, there is a difference between the two rides. I am partial to Disney World, I'll admit it. I love Disney World. That's my home park, so to speak. That's where we go all the time for our vacations. So this is the ride I know. I have not yet been to California to go to Disneyland. I would love to get there one day. My family and I are looking into when we can do that, so that I can get on the Pirates of the Caribbean there as well as all the other great rides they have. So someday we will do that, but for right now, this is the ride that really I'm attached to. So this is where we're going to start off. And then, like I said, we're going to expand this and do this for other rides in Disney World, and then go out and do California, so we can do the Pirates out there, and then go around the world to Tokyo, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Paris, see the Phantom Manor there. So I'm excited about this. I think we'll get a lot of inspiration out of it and have a lot of fun. So anyway, to give you a little bit of Disney history. There is a difference between the two rides. Like I said, the Disneyland version was created first. It was a big hit out there. So when Disney World opened up, or when it was being built, they decided that we didn't need to have a Pirates of the Caribbean there, being that Florida was in the Caribbean and it was right there, and they thought it wasn't exotic enough. It wasn't as interesting to people, and people really wouldn't be interested in pirates. So when it opened in 1971 and there was no Pirates of the Caribbean, fans had an uproar saying, "Oh my God, there's no Pirates of the Caribbean. How can we not have Pirates of the Caribbean here?" So Disney had to scramble and put in a ride where they could, where they had room in Adventureland, and so they didn't have as much space, and that's why they had to cut a little bit of the ride out and change it around a little bit. But one thing that it does have here in Disney World that they don't have in California is a great queue, which is where we're starting off here. You can see here we're entering the queue, where you kind of go down into this fort and down like into the dungeon area of it, and you can see where the pirates are coming in and all, and there's some great props and great things in here, and it really just sets the mood for the ride. And it gets cool and dark, and you hear the music playing, and then you start to see some props and some different things. So it really kind of gets me in the mood for the ride, and all that. So we're going to start off here, and as we go through this series, if anybody has any ideas, if there's particular props, if there's other rides, not even necessarily spooky rides, it can be anything that you can get inspiration from. Here we're starting to see there's some cannons and all that, and I like the lighting there, the red and all. It kind of makes it look like a fire or something, and here you're kind of going through, and it kind of has this kind of Spanish style with the lights and the stonework and stuff. And here's the prop. This one that I've actually been inspired by already to create one of my props. And these are two pirate skeletons here, and they're playing chess. And you can't. It's not a great shot here. You can't see it, all that well, but. I use this as inspiration for my two skeleton pirates that are playing cards, that you see, and I'll put an image here. Actually, if you can't really see it here, but if you look on the chessboard, for those of you that know chess, the game is actually in a stalemate. So it's kind of like, they came to a stalemate and just died here, stuck in this position. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, anybody, please like and subscribe, follow us along, follow our journey. If you're not familiar with us, please, I really appreciate it if you can, go back and look at some of our videos and see what we're about. We make Halloween props for our Halloween display, and we're not, we don't have any special talent or anything like that. Just average people, just, doing what we can with what we have. No special tools, no special artistic ability, anything like that. Here we're kind of down in the cave part where you actually get on the ride. And again, it's really cool, and it's kind of spooky and dark and cool and all that. And the lighting really helps too. Again, here you see like some broken down parts of the fort, and the red there kind of making it look like there's a fire. And here's some of the ironworks, the cannons. So we're coming down here through the queue. We have the lights. I mean, I like the lights and all how they look, and more cannons. A lot of cannons in here. That'd be cool if we could make a cannon, put a cannon there and put some pirates on the cannon. Like, that'd be a cool display. Maybe I could like put them on the roof or something, kind of like they're firing off the roof of the house. Like, that'd be cool for Halloween. That's an idea. Thomas, get on that, okay? That's your job now. Make some cannons and put them on the roof. All right. Here we see a chandelier with the candles on it. Fireplace and all that kind of stuff, and the guns here stored behind these iron grill works. Lots of kegs of probably gunpowder or maybe rum, we don't know. Various equipment that we go through here before we get on the ride, and all this is building up and getting you geared up and getting you in the mood to get on Pirates. And we're coming down soon. We'll be down to the bottom here. Right, so again, anybody, has any suggestions for other rides? Again, that doesn't even have to be a ride, maybe just something, even in a resort or anywhere else in the parks, or, like we've gone through, if you follow some of our videos, Trader Sam's at the Polynesian, where I have a few things and I've gotten some ideas. So ideas can come from anywhere. So, anybody has any ideas, I really appreciate it. Give me some comments. Follow us, like our videos, and go back and see what we're about and some of the other things that we've done. We're not experts, just making this up as we go along. So some things we screw up, some things don't come out well, but we do the best we can. We have fun with it. That's what it's about. All right, so we're on the ride now. We're starting off here. A little bit of low light here, so it's a little hard to see. You can start to hear the music coming up, and the pirates. Here we're going through the cave, and you can hear the water and the eerie pirates and tell no tales. The mist here. So again, all this is building to the beginning here. This is where they actually, it looks like older, where they had Davy Jones' image appear in the mist and the waterfall there. They've taken that out since, maybe a few years ago. Still have that in there. Now we start to come to the skeleton pirates and the remnants of the pirates. Actually, if you learn about the ride, it's kind of interesting the way it starts off with all the skeleton pirates, because that's supposed to be the pirates as they are now. Their lifestyle has led to, to their death and all this havoc and all that. And then you kind of go down the waterfall and kind of go back in time to see them, rampaging and plundering and pillaging and doing all that. But here they are in their final state, dead here. So. This is all cool and really awesome display. Yeah, this is the older one. See, they have the mermaid here. The mermaid skeleton there, which they've taken that out too. I love this scene here. Again, it's a little dark and grainy. Unfortunately, you can't see it that well. You go right, but this is that pirate skeleton with the ship's wheel, turning the wheel. I love that. That'd be a great prop to do. This guy's cool too, the skeleton. Talking head here. That's where they actually take the picture for the ride. So you always know to look at that and make a funny face. Now you kind of go down the waterfall. Now you're back in the days of the pirates. You can finally see something again. Here we are. Okay, and we're out into the big cavern with the pirate ship. The pirates are attacking the fort. Music starts. You hear the pirates calling out and blasts of the cannons. I love that. The cannons go off and the water splashes around you. And you're like really in the scene. I mean, I love how that feels.
Or my thunder will burn the city to the ground.
This is a really cool part.
They need a bit
When
of
you come out, especially the first time, you come out and you're in this cave and you see the pirate ship. Wow. That's so cool. Here we are in the town. You see the... Don't be cheeking! Duncan, the mayor or whoever he is here, I don't know. Trying to get the information out of him.
Tell him, Carlos, don't be
Carlos!
cheating. Stop this scam.
Now here, since the...
I am not chicken. I will not talk.
You do not talk. They're looking for, and they've changed the ride. The original version obviously did not have Jack Sparrow in there, but it's a success of the movies. They put Jack Sparrow in here, and I think they did a pretty good job of integrating that into the ride. It's a lot of fun. Get a kick out of it. Now we go to the infamous auction scene that they've changed around to make it a little more acceptable from the original version. Well, this is actually this is the original version. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that. Yeah, this is the actual original version. Before they had Red the Pirate woman. Now it's here the women that are for sale. Still on this one. So that's interesting.
Strike your colors
I
every
this was the older version.
No need to expose your superstructure.
But the pirates here are really cool. Some of the details and all that. Just the way they have the city designed and all that. Really, again, it really just sparks your imagination and everything. The pirates are looting and going through, and they have a lot of funny scenes here and stuff. Again, there's the Jack Sparrow that they added. Pops up out of there, and the pirates are chasing. Again, this was again, they changed that scene. At one point, the pirate was chasing the woman, but then they changed it around where she was chasing the pirate and whacking him with the bow. This guy, I always liked this guy here, drinking the rum with the cats. Kind of wanted to get off there and get a drink when I'm on the ride too. Let's get some of that rum. Just the details that they put. Plants on the walls. Here they're starting to get into the song here. It's like donkey. The first dog. First dog. Singing the song. Now you can see the city's wrecked with the fire. I love how they do the fire too. It's really kind of a pretty simple technique. Really kind of the fans are just kind of like blowing this fabric and stuff. It really works. It makes it really play with fire and gives you that effect. I like the guy there with the pigs too. This guy hanging off the bridge. His leg going right under. Now you kind of go down. There's the famous scene here with the pirates and in the jail, and the dog has the key, and they're trying to get the dog to give him the key. fire in the background. Again, simple effects, but it looks really cool.
Mangy mutt. Hit him with a silver.
Again, I love that, just even the stone and everything. I don't know, just really looks dungeony and cool. I'd love to have something like that, you know, just make some stonework like that, crypt and stuff for Halloween. Then here's the final scene with Jack Sparrow in the treasure vault. Again, this is like just such a cool scene. So many details with all the stuff. The animatronic is amazing.
Do you know this song, Parrot? Feel free to join in anytime. Father will love by our mummies and dads to go.
Oh, I wound up singing that song most of the day after a long ride. And then that's it. Here you go. Time to get
All
off.
right. Well, we hope everyone enjoyed the ride.
Here we are.
Such
Now,
a
of
great
course, you
ride.
end up
Now we're actually
in the
out here
gift
in the
shop.
store.
But this is an
Of course, we
awesome
know
gift
all
shop.
great Disney rides have to end in a gift
They
shop,
do have
and this
a lot of
is a
cool
really
things
special
in
gift
here.
shop. Actually, it's not just any shop. This is a
You go
very
through here, I
detailed,
usually
very
find stuff that
well-themed shop with a
I
lot
can
of
use
great
that. You can make a
pirate
prop out of
themed
that or
merchandise.
whatever.
And I love all
But
these pictures and maps.
a lot of
and treasure
details
chests.
here, and then
Lots
even
of great
still,
stuff
even
just to make
you know,
feel
these
like
details of
you're
these
Caribbean.
maps and clocks and all these old props that they have even in the store here. Just really cool.
Just a great time. A lot of fun for the
so,
kids too. There's a lot of great
Yeah, that's Pirates of the Caribbean. Love this ride. I want to be in Disney World again, so I don't know. I got to make it not only to Halloween, but I got to make it till I get back to Disney World. So I don't know. Maybe this isn't a good idea to go through these things because it just makes me want to go to Disney World now. So anyway, that's our video for this week. Hope you liked it. Again, like us, follow us. See what we're doing here. We're gonna have a lot of fun with these videos. So stay tuned for the next one. And have a great day. Thank you.
That's all for now from Pirates of the Caribbean. We hope you enjoyed the video.